Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this episode we are going to be making a powerful hair growth spray for our hair, and the first ingredient we are starting with, it is peel. Now it can be peel of ginger, it can be peel of garlic, it can be peel of onion, whether red onion or white onion. So for this tutorial I'm using the peel of what's it called, of garlic. You can use anyone. Now peel of garlic, we still do the work garlic is doing. Peel of onion, we still do the work peel of onion is doing. So do you get the logic? So whatever peel you want to use, just use it. Now this is actually very good for your scalp. For scalp treatment, it's actually very good, and when combined with a very good routine, it can help in hair breakage. Yes, it helps in hair breakage. You should know that um ginger and all of that, onions, those stuff in that class can be used for alopecia. Now if you are having bald spots, maybe one part of your hair is bald, or you want to grow your hair long, definitely this garlic peel, onion peel can help to revive your bald spots, your bald edges. Do you get? So it is actually very good. It also serve an antioxidant, very good for your hair. So if you have a bald spot or your edges is moving backward and you don't even know what to do, my dear, just follow this recipe. Now another thing is ginger. Like, I love this class of I don't know what class of is it. This is not a fruit. I love this class of ingredients because it is very powerful. So ginger as well is very good. They have similar benefits. Now you now combining this powerful ingredient, it will stimulate and increase the rate at which your hair will grow. Ginger is very good for your hair, so I'm not peeling the back as well as its own benefits. But if you want to peel the back, the flesh, sorry, the back of the ginger, you can actually peel it. But as for me, I love it like this. I love it like this. So if you want to peel it, peel it, and if you don't want to peel it, don't peel it. But just make sure you follow all the processes I'm going to be disclosing in this video. Sure you get. Now you don't have to add too much. Why? Because it has one peppery thing. I don't know if you add too much of ginger to your food. You know how this is a spice. If you add too much of ginger to your food, it will be peppery. Do you get? So you don't want to add much, and now you're feeling hot. Your scalp is feeling hot. You're feeling like hell is on your hair. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So little is actually enough, and it's going to do the work you want. Do you understand? Or I should come again? Do you understand it? So you don't have to add too much. I feel like it's onion or onion peel that you can add much and it won't affect your hair. You won't feel any burning sensation in your hair at all. But when it comes to ginger, most especially, you don't want to do too much. You don't want to do too much. Sure you get. Now, like I said, we are doing, what's it called, air spray. So we are going to be using water. We're going to be using water, and the kind of water we're going to be using is hot water. I'm not saying you can use room temperature water, but for better result and also for the ingredient to actually what's it called, for the ingredient to actually like dissolve in just due time, in just short period of time, you need hot water to do the work. But if we can just reserve it for more days, sure you get. I left this for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I did my thing. Now if you are leaving it, if you are using room temperature water, you can just leave it for 36 hours. If so, sure you get. And it does not get spots. I don't know, it does not get spots. And one thing I love about this recipe is that it does not have that smell. Like, I don't know if you that onion, it has one smell that is so funny, but this one, it smell like, the smell is actually very neutral. So after 24 hours, can you see how dissolved my stuff is, like the flesh and everything? So you can see that the water is actually properly infused. Do you get the logic? So please and please follow all these steps so that you can get a better result of it. Like I was saying the other time, this, like, I added more water to it though, because the peel and everything, it has absorbed the water. So when onion has smell, like it has one funny smell, and definitely I've done a lot of videos on how to eradicate this smell. But this one, you don't actually need all of those things, like what's it called, maybe like perfume or evaporation method or all of that. This one is actually very very like safe, and you just save, you don't have to add anything, and just to go to go, and that is just it. So if you don't have a weak cap, you can actually use your scarf, you can even use your clothes. You don't have to like stress yourself and be like or even use the sieve that you use in your kitchen. Sure, you get the logic. Oh, I should come again. So you squeeze out the life out of this stuff so that you can get everything. Can you see? What if I didn't squeeze that part? I want to be able to like get. Can you see how thick that is? And just imagine me not squeezing that. This nutrients, like, you'll have lost it. You just be, that's why some people, they will just be used and they will say the product is not working. I tried it. I'll be like, how are you using this thing? How are you using it? And you're saying it does not work. It's definitely work. If you don't watch a video to the end, if you say the person is talking too much, can you call, like, and you don't get the information properly, you just be wasting time, you'll be wasting energy. Sure you get. So please let's try and watch videos to the end. And also, if you have any question, you can put that in the comment section. Can you see the color? Can you see the difference between the first color and this one? Now sure you get. So the next thing is to add into my spraying bottle. Please, you can use this every day or every 2 days. And also, please don't forget that you have to seal your moisture with any oil of your choice. I have made a lot of videos on oil on this channel. You can check out my video, and you think that this quantity is small for you, you can actually make a large batch and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye for now.